welcome to all of you. Today we will compare the Python language with the other languages. There are two basic comparisons where we can compare these all the languages Python with the other. The first comparison is to end any command in the Python language. Like you are writing any code, if you want to end the line, then you need the new lines. You have to press the enter key, then you will go to the new line in the Python language. But in other languages, for ending any command, you need to put the semicolon, then the command is over. That means you can also continue to the same line after the semicolon is over, the command will be over. The second difference in the Python and the other languages, spaces. When you put the spaces in the Python, that means you are defining a scope of the variable. For defining the scope of variable, there is the use of spaces. But in the other languages, for the scope definition, the curly brackets are used. What is scope? First of all, understand that as well. Scope, like you are assigning a value to any variable, then the scope of that variable defines that how much, till how much extent that variable can be accessed and used. That is how about the two differences about in Python and other language. Thank you very much.